So I saw this bag on Pinterest and then I was like, I really want it. So I decided that either I can spend money on it or I can try to make it on my own. So I just got an idea that how I can make it, and then after that I just bought my things and I made it. So this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy Ornate. So today I'm gonna show you how I made this bag. I really like this bag, handbag, because it was really classy and it gives a really statement kind of look. So I was like, oh my god, I know it won't be as similar as it is or as the brand is providing us, but we can buy a cheaper version of it. So rather than buying a cheaper version of it, I made a cheaper version of it. So it is really like you don't have to spend bit of money. It's like it's within 100 rupee you can make this bag, and I'm gonna show you. So stay tuned and just see how I make that bag. Before that, do hit the like button if you like my video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.
I got these ice cream sticks from the market. I got this full packet of ice cream stick of rupees 25, and then I have taken the scissor and then I'm gonna just cut it into half like this. After that I'll just paste, and once I have pasted these three half pieces together, then I'm gonna just tie both the ends of this stick with the help of rubber band so that these pieces can get stick to each other easily. After that I'm gonna take red acrylic color. You can even go with any of the color whichever you like, so I'm using red here, and I am just going to use this color for painting these sticks of that I have created. So like this I'm gonna paint these sticks, and once I have done with the coloring part of all these sticks that I have created, then I'll move towards the pasting part. So what I have to do is I have to keep two sticks on the ground, and then I'll apply Fevicol on both of the sides on those sticks. So I'm gonna attach two more sticks on that. So like this I'm going to create a stack of at least 10 to 12 sticks one side, so it's gonna be a perfect square. And while doing this, make sure your edges are like very proper. So for that, just be careful with it, make sure your edges are perfect. So you just have to repeat the procedure of applying Fevicol up uh, till when you get 10 sticks, 10 to 12 sticks on one side. So till then you have to do this procedure all over. Then I'm gonna take a cardboard and I'm gonna cut it in a square shape, and I'll color it in the same color, that is red. Then I'll stick it to the ice cream stick stack that I have created. And once we are finished with this, so I'm gonna apply some glue over these sticks so that I can get a bit more shiny surface. And after it dries up, then we are done. Then what you just have to do is you just have to go to the market and buy such kind of potli. You can go with your color whichever suits your handbag. So I'm gonna show you some ways how you can tie ribbon. So here I have taken this potli and I'll put it in. You can put anything inside it, and then you just have to attach the ribbon in a very decent way so it's look like an really branded bag, or it should look neat. You have to attach the ribbon in that way. Here's the look. So this is how my handbag is going to look like, and it's giving me a statement kind of feeling, so it's really amazing. So do try it and let me know in the comment section. Thanks, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy.